So, Manuel, tell me a bit about yourself.
My dear, don't take too long knowing me, knowing you. Else he will just get bored and walk away.
They can have each other.
Then I guess I would keep him company. You take your time and doll yourself up.
Thanks, Elle.
No pressure.
This game, as you put it, is going to cost you.
Listen,
What the heck was that about?
did you see how she ran? Like a mouse. Nobody plays around with my man. I guard what's his mine very fiercely.
Say so. You rob my back, and I rob your back. Yes, Evelyn.
Sorry. Eat up for me. I like it when I cook and the man enjoys the food. And the way you're sweating tells it all.
Apparently, he has a thing for rice and chicken.
Hey, Nipa, you're bad.
Plenty food. No action.
House of Emoja.